Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Tether and signing into the account where you want the password changed. Make sure your device has a stable internet connection and the app is updated. The settings may differ on older versions. Once signed in, tap the menu and go to Account or Profile. This is where credential options live. You're beginning the secure flow, so double-check you're in the right account before proceeding. Doing that prevents changing the wrong profile later. Now you locate the password controls under Security or Login Settings. Tap Change Password or, if prompted, Reset Password to start the update. The app will require verification. Enter your current password, approve an OTP sent to your phone or email, or confirm with biometric authentication. This proves it's you and prevents unauthorized changes. Once verified, you'll see fields for new password and confirmation. Enter the new password and retype it in the confirmation field while following the displayed strength rules. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols for best security. Tap Save or Update, and when asked, sign out other sessions to protect old access. After saving, test by signing in again or checking a confirmation message. This ensures propagation across devices. If verification fails, retry the OTP, confirm your contact info, and make sure the app is current before attempting the change again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.